Hindi daily conversation sentences for beginners. How to express that you don't know much Hindi in Hindi. The only sentence you need to memorize to convey that you are a novice in Hindi is this one. I don't know much Hindi. I'll say it in a normal tone first and then I'll repeat it slowly. मुझे ज़्यादा हिंदी नहीं आती है. मुझे ज़्यादा हिंदी नहीं आती है. मुझे means I, ज़्यादा much, नहीं आती है don't know. You can repeat after me to memorize this sentence. मुझे ज़्यादा हिंदी नहीं आती है. मुझे ज़्यादा हिंदी नहीं आती है. Let's look at some other sentences in Hindi to help you feel comfortable when you are conversing in a Hindi-speaking country, place, or with a Hindi-speaking group. Let's go. Do you speak English? In a formal setting or with elders, say, क्या आप English बोलते हो? And in an informal setting or with friends, say, क्या तुम English बोलते हो? Now let's look at each word one by one. Quick word meanings here. क्या means what, आप तुम means you, बोलते हो means do speak. You can repeat after me to memorize this sentence. In a formal way, क्या आप English बोलते हो? क्या आप English बोलते हो? In an informal way, क्या तुम English बोलते हो? क्या तुम English बोलते हो? Let's look at the next sentence. I didn't understand. If you're a boy, say, मैं समझा नहीं. If you're a girl, say, मैं समझी नहीं. Quick word meanings here. मैं means I, समझा समझी means understand, and nahi means no. As you learn more Hindi, you will begin to understand that words referring to male gender in Hindi usually ends with a, and for female genders, it usually ends with e. Let's look at two more sentences. The next sentence is, can you please say that in English? In a formal setting, say, क्या आप इसे English में बोल सकते हो? In an informal setting, say, क्या तुम इसे English में बोल सकते हो? Quick word meanings here. क्या means what, आप और तुम means you, इसे means this, may means in, बोल means speak, सकते हो means can. You can repeat after me to memorize this. In a formal way, क्या आप इसे English में बोल सकते हो? क्या आप इसे English में बोल सकते हो? In an informal way, क्या तुम इसे English में बोल सकते हो? क्या तुम इसे English में बोल सकते हो? Now let's look at the last sentence. Can you repeat that please? In a formal setting, say, क्या आप इसे ज़रा फिर से बोल सकते हो? In an informal setting, say, क्या तुम इसे ज़रा फिर से बोल सकते हो? Quick word meanings here. क्या means what, आप और तुम means you, इसे this, ज़रा a little, फिर again, say with, बोल speak, सकते हो, can. We have reached the end of this video. If you would like to learn Hindi in a fun and easy way, please do like this video and subscribe to Hindi Mini Bites today. Also, do share. Thank you.